Okay, so the code of conduct, what I did, Michelle had asked if I would share NEUIC's code of ethical conduct and commitment statement with all of you, but I went ahead and included the licensure code of professional conduct for Ohio educators. In part, I felt as though, if we are teaching our students who are planning to go into the public school systems, they're going to be falling more under the licensure code of conduct for Ohio educators than they are. I mean, and they may be both depending on what setting they're in, but anyway, so in the PowerPoint, I decided to go ahead and include both as a resource for you today. So the code of ethics. So basically what the code of ethics is principles of behavior. The code of ethics is going to definitely be based on those core values of an organization. And in this case, of a field of study, which is education, early childhood education, whatever grade level, age level we end up teaching in. But it does define the principles of behavior within early childhood education and then just the teaching profession. So you guys are going to participate with me. Why do we have a code of ethics? What are some of the reasons why we have a code of ethics? Come on, students, help me.
Do you want us to just yell out, or do you want us to?
I want you to just yell out.
Okay. I would say because you're going to run into situations that you may not know how to handle. And so
Okay.
the code gives you at least a standard or a basis in order to make a certain decision.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say it provides those guidelines to follow up with what Michelle said. I also think it gives us something to aspire to as professionals.
All right.
I think of it like, well, I think you already said it, that idea that as professionals like the medical field, that we have something that it's not just the minimum, but this is, well, as Pam said, this is what we're reaching for.
Exactly. Chris, you got anything to add? See, I like to call out on my students.
She's tough.
I think they pretty much, basically what everybody says, just kind of that professional set of standards that you're held accountable for,
Yes. Awesome. Thank you. So it helps us understand the responsibilities of the profession, helps us make resolution to dilemmas that we encounter. One of the kind of components I found was it brings unity. I liked that one. Like we have a set of standards that we all are unified to strive to become within the profession. It can provide you as a resource. And I think the NEUIC Code of Conduct really does provide you with a good resource of, the different principles behind what we do as educators. It can promote dialogue. It has a common language. Again, within a profession, you have common language that you express, and outside of your profession sometimes, and I like special education, we have a million acronyms, and outside of the always